Erizoba abesimbira ntebe ya presidenti omwihanga barikweyongerayo kushorera obuhagizi omu myanya etarikushushana. Presidenti Yoweri Museveni w'ekibiina kya NRM omurundi ogundi yasiiba omu bicweka bya Western Nile omu disitulikiti ya Terego hamwe na Yumbe. Omu disitulikiti ya Terego omwebembezi w'ihanga orukungana rwe rw'okubanza yabanza okuruteera omu kishaayi ekya Regio Prefield arikushangwa omu kibuga ekikuru ekya disitulikiti ya Terego. Ahano yabanza n'okwigura ekishaayi eki ekyahirweyo banki y'ensi yoona. Abebembezi omu disitulikiti egi ababebembirwe Minisita Obega Kania otiireho n'omunyeshengerokazi ahabwa Terego Rosa Biga batushoberera ngu abakunu bo nibasiima omwebembezi w'ihanga habw'enshonga nyamwingi.
A lot of infrastructure development is taking place in West Nile and in Terego here. You can see for yourselves. Look at all this infrastructure in 4 years only in the district headquarters. But you go out, look at our schools, look at our health services. In every sub-county there is a health center 3. In every parish there is a health center 2.
Today we are so excited to receive His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and the NRM presidential flag bearer. You can see Terego is yellow, not for nothing. If you can see for yourselves, Terego is so beautiful. It's the most built district, yet it was the last created district in this country.
Ahanho omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yashoborera hanshonga ishatu ezirimo obusinge, enkurakurana hamwe n'entaasya.
The NRM was with the UPC Obote 2 81 to 86.
Adivini NRM pili di UPC be odozo ili kali arodrealuse pere kali arodreaziasiri.
Even when NRM won, there was no immediate peace. There was COI, there was ADF, there were Bamze, there were all sorts of groups. And the Karamajong cattle rustlers.
President Yoweri Museveni yashoborera ngu okubasa kukora okumaraho enshonga zoona n'okureebeka ngu ihanga ririmu obusinge. Ogu yajumirira abo boona abarikuheebwa obushoborozi kwebembera ebintu ebi ngu tibarikubiteeka mu nkora na munonga abarikukurra amashomero ga gavumenti abarikushaba sente abaana ekirikubareetera baruga omu mashomero.
Tended to bring free education in the government schools and later on secondary schools.
Kini udozili kaliuro medriazi yasi iya bi usimatako usi ndrezo akini sukuru primary bala tokoru senior bala tokoru.
Because I knew there are families who cannot yet afford to pay the school charges.
Ojo di I ondra diadini agbari iniache baru ezikichi uchoki fizi kilitotodi ufeko.
But for some reason, some of the people who are supposed to implement don't share my view.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga yayongera yashoborera ngu naija kuhiga abo boona abaririre sente za parish development model.
When we finish our work here, there is an army officer who will stand here, and you come and you give her your contact. My auditor will come and follow up with you, and we shall go for those who took your money.
Bwanyuma y'omwebembezi w'ihanga ekiro ky'eriizooba kumaliriza omu disitulikiti eya Terego yabasa kweyongerayo aze omu disitulikiti eya Yumbe kushererayo nayo akaruru ak'omurundi ogundi ningashi okusherera ok'omurundi gwe gwa kabiri nk'okukiri ngu burizooba nayina okuza omu disitulikiti ibiri. Erizooba lyanyekyaka lyaba hatiine ekintu kiriho naza kuza omu disitulikiti eya Moyo na bwanyuma aze omu disitulikiti eya Yumbe. Aha bwa Tayari West Ronald Ngabirano aha omuri Terego.